In this video, I take you on an unforgettable night in Yasam Park, Antalya. During the day, this area has a calm atmosphere, but at night, it transforms into a lively and vibrant bazaar. The streets and walkways of Yasam Park are filled with food stalls and shops offering a variety of local and international dishes. From Turkish kebabs to delicious desserts and street snacks, there's something to satisfy every taste. The atmosphere of Yasam Park at night is enhanced by beautiful lighting, live music, and the energy of both tourists and locals. It's not just a place to shop and eat, but also a spot to enjoy Antalya's nightlife and get a taste of local culture. If you're looking for a unique experience of Antalya's evenings and want to indulge in diverse foods while strolling through a charming setting, this video is perfect for you. Join me as we explore the beauty and attractions of Yasam Park at night. Yasam Park is located in the Konyaaltı district of Antalya, specifically in the western part of the city, near Konyaaltı beach. This area is a popular spot for recreation and sightseeing, offering green spaces, amenities, restaurants, and various shops, making it a favorite place for both locals and tourists. The park is easily accessible from the city center by car or public transportation. Also, due to its strategic location, Yasam Park is easily accessible and can be an excellent starting point for exploring other parts of Antalya. This area, especially on weekends and holidays, becomes very busy and lively, offering a vibrant atmosphere. In the evenings, Yasam Park transforms into an attractive destination with its lighting and unique ambience, drawing both tourists and locals. In this area, you can enjoy activities like cycling, walking, and even having a picnic in the park's green spaces. Therefore, whether you're looking for a delicious meal or a perfect spot to relax and have fun, Yasam Park offers plenty of options. This park also provides various sports facilities, offering a great space for those interested in physical activities. From children's play areas to outdoor sports courts, Yasam Park is an ideal spot for those who want an energetic and active day. For nature lovers, the park's vast green spaces and lush trees provide a great opportunity to escape the city's hustle and reconnect with nature. Ultimately, with all these features combined, Yasam Park has become one of the most popular tourist and recreational destinations in Antalya, attracting every visitor.
zdravstvenih razloga, ne zato
А понимаешь, а потом
Nereden geliyor bu? Şöyle bir şey. Başlık mı?
Da.
Teyzesinin oğlu orada müdür. Bayağı yakın. Ablamın eniştene bir hafta tatil ediyor. Bak senin yemin ediyorum. Buradan böyle bir ana yoldan gidiyor.
Ya bunların arkasında.
Her yerine lezzet. Millet çekiyor bunlardan.